Rust and corrosion are the biggest enemies of the primary fluid transfer systems in today's vehicles. Brake, fuel, and transmission cooler lines are all affected by the corrosive properties of the chemicals used on today's roads. Sodium chloride, acid rain, vehicle leakage, and natural environmental chemicals combine to form an acid called hydrogen chloride. This is incredibly corrosive to steel, aluminum, copper, iron, and all metals found on vehicles today. Poly-Armour PVF tubing is the answer to these problems. With over 30 times the rust and corrosion resistance of standard steel lines, both professional repair facilities and do-it-yourselfers alike can benefit from the peace of mind knowing that their systems are safe. Double-walled steel, copper brazed, and patented easy bend technology makes for professional application without the need for costly bending and flaring tools. There are imitators of Poly-Armour in the marketplace today. Beware of tubing without the trademarked Poly-Armour seal, claiming that they are poly or PVF coated and touting theirs to be just as good as Poly-Armour. This takes care of outside rust and corrosion, but what about the inside? A flake of foreign matter smaller than the naked eye can view is enough to turn on an ABS light and ruin a very expensive ABS controller. Poly-Armour has an absolutely uniform interior finish throughout the entire length of every tube. Nothing to flake or come loose and cause a problem. In the photos you see here, beware of the imitators as their product has loose material and flakes floating around inside. Problems await those that don't use genuine Poly-Armour branded lines. Settle for nothing less than the best. Poly-Armour steel tubing is now available at over 90% of auto parts stores in America. Look for the distinctive Poly-Armour seal on the tube and display and rest assured that you have the best protection available. Do the job once with Poly-Armour and drive worry-free.